Are you ready? Okay. Um, okay, I am super excited. I just have to say once again, thank you for all of your business during the holiday season. Man, y'all made us work, but this is what we signed up for, and we expect it every year. It's just when it comes, and we're constantly, nonstop on the go, busy, no sleep. But hey, it's a certain time of year, and we appreciate the business and the opportunity to actually cook with love for you during the holiday season. So, what's on the horizon? Oh gosh. Well, you know what? I'm for real, gonna make this happen this year because I've had so many people ask me. I mean, I'd probably say about a dozen friends have asked, when are you gonna do meal prep, Sharon? And I'm gonna make it happen. It's more than a notion. You all see my desk here, and it takes me actually creating the menus and uploading it into our system, making sure it's user friendly. So it's not that easy, you all. But I'm gonna make it happen this year, and I promise. First quarter, the beginning of the first quarter, so January, it'll be available for you all to place your order and make your life a lot easier. You won't have to worry about cooking, and it's not just about weight loss. Even though at the beginning of the year we do all focus on making sure our health and wealth and our wellness is taken care of, but it's more than that. It is making your life easier for the busy moms, for that person who has to take care of a loved one, a caregiver. Hopefully, at Arts Catering, we're going to make your life a lot easier. So stay tuned and check us out. Of course, if you haven't followed us and subscribed to our weekly email, you got to do it. So subscribe and make sure that you follow along with us and stay in tune with everything that we have going on for 2023. So again, thanks for all your business. We love cooking with love for you, and until the next time.